Hi, my name is Vince Farrell and I'm an applications engineer at Hawkridge Systems. Every year SOLIDWORKS rolls out a new version with many great enhancements, and this year is no different. Today's video is meant to show you some of the top enhancements to the costing module in SOLIDWORKS 2017. In case you aren't familiar with costing, it gives you a way to get accurate manufacturing costs of your parts and assembly. Let's take a look at some of this year's improvements. I'm working on this torso support frame. You can see it's a couple of sub-assemblies and some individual parts there. To turn on costing is easy. Just go to your Evaluate tab right here and click Costing. See, it opens up here on the right hand side in the task pane, and this brings me to the first enhancement. We have different ways of costing this assembly, either using the flat tree method or the nested tree method. Flat tree is just going to flatten out all the sub-assemblies and not give me a sub-assembly cost. The nested tree method will apply a cost to those sub-assemblies as one entity. So that's that first new improvement. To talk about the next new improvement, I'm going to switch over to just the side of my support frame, which I already have open in another window. This is the sheet metal part, which brings me to the second top enhancement, and that's rules-based costing for sheet metal parts. This is something that was introduced in 2016 to machined parts, but now is available for sheet metal parts. I'm using a custom template here, VF Metal Cutters, and I'm going to go into the template editor, and you can see now I can add in rules here. Give that the first rule a name. I can apply several rules, name of anodize, and I'll select my category if then. Then you can see I have different options here. I'm going to say if a material is chosen, then add a custom operation. The material I'm going to use is aluminum alloy 6061. And if this material is used, add anodize, a custom operation there. I'll save this out, close it out, and now you can see right now I'm using the material of steel. Switch over to aluminum 6061 and it automatically adds in that anodize custom operation there. I don't even have to think about it. Really great enhancement there. Update our results here, which bring me into the next enhancement I want to talk about, which has to do with generating reports. When generating a report, you now have the option to add in alternate quantities, up to 5 different quantities. So instead of just looking at 50, which is what my lot size is for the default, I can also put in 100, 150, 200, 250. I already have a report made for this, and you can see that there's my lot size right there, 50 at the top, but I also have the second sheet available here with all of those other alternate quantities and their costs. So another nice enhancement there. Going back to templates up here, you now have the option to either apply your local template, which is the way it's always been, or grab some templates off of mysolidworks.com. These will be supplier provided templates, so if you're using a particular supplier, you can get accurate information from them instead of having to provide it yourself. And take a look, or that will be available for you in Service Pack 2, so please keep an eye out for that. In today's video, I went over some key enhancements for costing in SOLIDWORKS 2017. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our Hawkridge Systems channel to see more videos like this one, and thanks for watching.